it's your girl Nelly. So I gotta keep it down because it's really late and I'm up recording this video. I can't be turned up like I want to be. And excuse my face peeling. I have a chemical peel on. We definitely gonna do a video on that. And y'all, today's video is gonna be a big esthetician haul. Some of this stuff you could find on Amazon. Some of this stuff you could find on like other esthetician websites. Some of this stuff you have to be a professional to purchase. And I'll make sure to put links down below. So as you guys see from right here, this is my whole esthetician wall. So I do like facials at home. I also do waxing and I also do body contouring. So this is just going to be like strictly for facials, things that you need, things that are important, things that I use. And we're even going to go over a couple of products and stuff like that, and modalities and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start off with like the things that you're definitely gonna need as an esthetician. So number one, you're gonna need a massage bed. So I got my massage bed from eBay. Y'all be sleeping on eBay, but I got my massage bed for eBay. I think for maybe $100. It wasn't expensive. So it's really wide, it's big, and it's burgundy. So I know some massage beds, like the pink ones, are like smaller. Well, they're not smaller, but they're not like as wide as my bed. Make sure y'all want to pay attention to like the width of the bed to make sure, you know, everybody could fit on the bed, you know. So now we're just going to talk about like these right here are sheets for my bed. So when you do a facial, you need sheets. And when you do like facial services, you're going to be doing like a lot of laundry, so be aware of that. So you definitely need and that's exactly why I said that you guys need to pay attention to like your widths and your length, so that way like the covers could fit your bed. So I got the sheets and the covers. They wasn't expensive. So you know when you're doing a facial, you have your client change into like the thing that go right there. I forgot what it's called, like a towel, something like that. Bought a lot of those for shoot, I think they gave me a lot, like maybe probably 100, maybe 50. They gave me a lot, but the thing with those is that mine came see-through. So when you have somebody change, you're gonna be seeing like their bra and stuff like that. But another one is towels. I got those from like Walmart. You can get a whole bunch of rags, towels for their face and stuff like that. So another thing that I have is a towel warmer. Yeah, I got a towel warmer. It wasn't expensive at all. Like I got that from eBay, so mine still work even though like I had it for like a year, so it still works. Another thing that I had bought was this steamer. I had a bigger steamer, but it broke, and I got the big one that you use like in school and stuff like that. I got it from eBay and it broke, and when I tried to get back in contact with the seller, it wasn't answering, so whatever. This one, it works perfectly even though it's small. Y'all don't have to start off big, like y'all don't have to. It was like maybe $40. I'll put that up here or down below, and it has like a light. And make sure when you guys are using steamers, you only use distilled water. Make sure y'all read the directions on how to use one like this, but this one works perfectly. I use it for face and I use it also for vajacials. So more stuff that I got was like this is for you guys to like spread your applications or your product on their face. And it also comes with these, and it also comes with the pad. And then you also have this. You can also use these to like spread it on your face. These all come together. It was a good pack. Next thing I got, this is very important, is a barbicide jar. How you clean like your products and stuff like that, you want to make sure that you get some barbicide or Lucicide, anything to like disinfect your products. You just want to make sure you like clean your tools, like wash them with soap and water, and then you guys clean your tools. But I say this is really important too. Yeah, so the blue stuff is barbicide, and I still have a lot of that left. So let's also talk about like the tools that I have. So some of the tools that I have are like extraction tools. You could either use like extraction tools, or you could use like your fingers when you're doing extractions. You don't have to use tools if you don't want to, because sometimes I like picking them out with my fingers, but you know, I have on nails, so I can't really do that right now. But those are very important too. It comes in like a little wallet thing, so They give you a lot of those for a good price. Next thing I have is these are like the sponges to like wipe off the product or like get it wet and stuff like that. Personally, I don't like these. I just don't like the way that they feel. I need the ones with like the way that like a sponge feels, like an actual sponge, like with multiple holes. I need that. Next thing I have is like facial mask, the gauze mask. It comes with like 100 of these in it. I use these for like high frequency. It's so important to use these for your high frequency stuff like that, because I've seen like a lot of people do it without the gauze. I was told that it doesn't work well when it's like nothing under it. I recommend getting those. You can use it for face and you can use it for like your vajacials too. So another thing that you need is, or you can buy, is gloves, vinyl gloves. I get those from Walmart, so yeah. Another thing I bought was goggles, like these right here. You put it over your eyes. When you're doing extractions, the light is going to be over their face, so you need something to like protect them from the light. So I got a lot of these. I got these from Amazon. These wasn't expensive. Another thing that I bought from Amazon was the headbands. I mean, these are pretty like self-explanatory. I forgot how much these was, but these are also from Amazon. It was pretty cheap. Usually when you're doing a facial, you need one of these so that way it won't get their hair wet. And especially like when you have somebody like me who wears a wig, I don't want my edges wet, so this is important. Like, and then just make sure you guys have like hand sanitizer, plenty of bowls. I usually use like plastic bowls, barbicide to clean your stuff, barbicide wipes, stuff to disinfect everything, because that's important too. So next we are gonna go over like modalities to use to spice up your facials, especially like if you're working at home. Like, these are good like starter kits. One thing I use is like ice clothes. I've seen these like on Instagram, so I thought it was interesting. I use these sometimes. I don't even use it like all the time. And it looks like this. I don't know, these are just like, they're fun to use and it looks entertaining, but it's supposed to like when you have a mask on, like you could use these and like massage them on their face or whatever. I also got these from Amazon. Okay, so this is another thing that I got from Amazon. It's a facial skin scrubber. These are usually used for like extractions, or you could wipe the cleanser off. And I think those two are pretty much the only things that I do for it. I don't use this often either. Sometimes I do, like, I guess to spice it up. But yeah, I got this from Amazon. It works perfectly and it comes with a charger, so make sure y'all don't leave your charger. So another thing that I bought was my high frequency one. I forgot how much this was, but it wasn't that expensive. Like, not even $100. It was probably 50, maybe 40, I don't know. So this is what it looked like, and if you turn it on, oh, I can't even turn it on. But yeah, I got this from Amazon. You could pick like which color you want. You could either pick like, I think it was the red one. They also have a purple one, and they also have a blue one. I brought the red one because I already had the purple one. So I went on universalstudios.com. It's like a whole beauty website, and I ordered a package and I thought it was gonna be like this, like the whole thing. But no, it only turns out that they only gave me these, and that was for $70. Like, just for these, it was $70. But yeah, I bought the purple one from there because that one is more for like, that one is like acne, and the red one is for like aging or mature skin. And then also, like, you guys could order like a lot of this stuff from universalstudios.com. I think now they require like you have to order from there if you're licensed. If you're licensed, get an account with them. Let's go over like a couple of products. For products, you do not want to get anything from freaking Amazon. Do not use no products from Amazon. Like, I don't care what nobody say. I'm not using no product from Amazon on my client's face. That's just that. I would say use products that you know that works. The first thing is pre-cleanse for Dermalogica. You don't have to get this because it really doesn't, I mean, like, it removes like dirt and makeup, so you can use this. We used to always use this in school for like before we start the facial, so this was like step one that you would need. Dermalogica products are pretty expensive, so, and then on top of that, these are pretty like basic products. Once I'm all done and use all this product up, I'm going to another brand. Like, I have to move up. You get what I'm saying? Like, so after the pre-cleanse, you want to get a face wash. So this one is the clearing skin wash. I believe I use this for I used to use it for my routine. This one is for acne. I also have special cleansing gel. So this is for like everybody's skin. Like if you don't want to buy like everything separately for like each skin, you could always use this one, because this one is a good start off to clean somebody's face. And then I also have my dermal clay cleanser. This is for oily skin. So if you have oily skin, or you think you're gonna get a lot of clients with oily skin, or whatever the case may be, this one is good for oily. Okay, so after you cleanse their face, you would use an exfoliator. This one is called Daily Micro Exfoliant. I use this, like, I recommend this to everybody. Even like with people who like got wax, I usually recommend this to everybody. And it's a powder, but it's really expensive. So another thing that I bought from Dermalogica is the multi-active toner. I really don't use this on like a lot of people, but I want it gone, so I'm gonna have to start using it. Another thing that I bought was it's a mask. So this one is conductive mask. This one was the main one that we used at school, so it's used for everybody. Like, it's just a simple mask. So for usually like for these brands, you have to be a professional in order to get brands like this, like professional. Like it's not available for retail. I also buy jelly mask. In order to get a jelly mask, you have to be licensed. You have to have a licensed account in order to get a jelly mask. These are from like, it's called like SD Max or whatever it's called. But this one is the illuminating orange. Believe it or not, but jelly masks are expensive. Like expensive for this little bottle. Now it looked bigger like in pictures when I be seeing it on Instagram, but like it's really small, like small. And then I also have the charcoal one. This one is really good. Like I love this one, and I also use these a lot for vajacials. So okay, so next is I have this serum. So a lady from Ulta recommended this to me. I haven't even used it yet, but I was going to use it on myself, but since it's a serum, it's a brightening and correct serum. Like I said, I do have a chemical peel on, so I'm probably not even gonna use this because it's a retinol. So you know, you guys can get a serum. You don't have to get a serum to use for your clients, but this was expensive. This bottle was expensive. She definitely played me with this. I think this was like $59. She didn't even tell me how much it was. Like I just went ahead and bought it. So I have multiple moisturizers. This one is the best moisturizer. It has like, it's a moisturizer and it's a sunscreen. So I usually use this for my face. The Clear Start line, it don't cost a lot from Dermalogica, but this is a really good, like their best line is the Clear Start. So next I have the Active Moist. I use this for like, you could use it from anybody. And then this one, I also have the Intensive Moisturizer. I think this one is mainly for like people with drier skin. And you guys could also get like the Clear Start. This is really good for like younger skin. So I love this line. Like this line works perfectly for my skin. Another thing that I have is eye cream, but I haven't used it at all, probably like one time, but I got this from Ulta. So another thing I have is the overnight clearing gel. This is the best thing ever. That's why it's so expensive, and that's why it's always sold out, because once you put this on a pimple, I promise you, your pimple will go down like the next day. If not the next day, then it's the day after that. Like I promise. Like, and then another thing I have is the clearance serum. This is like straight salicylic acid. It's good for people with acne. So you guys could also use this for serum. As you guys see, I'm really low, but this is really expensive too. So, and these are for my people who like want to do peels and stuff like that. So I have a chemical peel right here. This one is the hydroquinone free one. So when you guys get peels from PCA, you have to be certified in doing the peels. They don't let anybody just buy the pills. You have to like take a class and then you can buy the pills. So this one is only for like certain skin colors, like people who are darker than me, it is not safe to use this. A pill that is like safe for everybody, if you want to go to like PCA, you could get the Sensei pill. It's for everybody's skin. But and also when you guys get pills, they have like a kit that you can take home. You could give it to like your clients or you. The kit is probably like $20, but to get a pill it was $80. So, and yeah, y'all, like that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. I hope I helped the best that I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my video, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.